Find the distance between the points A given by AB square minus 2 comma 2AB and B given by AC square comma 2AC. Now to find the distance between these 2 points A and B, we use a distance formula. So AB equals square root of the difference between the x coordinates, the whole square, plus the difference between the y coordinates, the whole square. So now see here, we have AB square minus AC square, the whole square. In the next step, you can see a square bracket. I have opened and closed a square bracket and raised it to the power 2. Here we have the simple bracket raised to the power 2. In the next step, I have opened and closed a square bracket and raised it to the power 2. And what do we have here? AB square minus AC square. What's common? A common. See here, A into B square is AB square, A into C square is AC square. Now this expression is squared. So that's what you see in the next step also. After taking out A common, this expression is entirely squared. Plus, again, here you can see simple bracket here raised to the power 2. In the next step, you can see the square bracket raised to the power 2. So now 2AB minus 2AC have 2A in common. So take out 2A. 2A into B is 2AB. 2A into C is 2AC. Now this expression is squared. And here also you can see after you take out 2A common, this expression entirely is squared raised to the power 2. So now apply the power 2 to both the terms here. So that will give you A squared into B square minus C squared the whole square plus 2A squared, that is 2A the whole square is 4A squared, B minus C squared is B minus C the whole square. Now here we have something which looks like x square minus y square, which is nothing but x plus y into x minus y. So see here, write A square as it is. Again, we need to be very careful with the power. Now this simple bracket is raised to the power 2. Here you can see the square bracket. I have opened and closed the square bracket and I have raised it to the power 2. And what do you have inside the simple bracket here? B square minus C square. And B square minus C square can be written as B plus C into B minus C. See here, B square minus C square is B plus C into B minus C. Now this expression is squared. And you can see here B plus C into B minus C, the whole squared. Plus 4A square of B minus C, the whole square. Now we have two expressions. No, before that I think we need to apply this power 2 to both the terms here. So we have A square, B plus C the whole square, B minus C the whole square plus 4A square of B minus C the whole square. Just apply the power 2 to both these terms inside the bracket and that gives us this step. So now what? We have two expressions. We have this one and this one connected by the plus sign. So how do we continue? We need to find out the HCF of these two terms. Now what's common between them? See here, this expression B minus C the whole square. B minus C the whole square is common. And what's common between A square and 4A square? A square. So the HCF of these two expressions is A square into B minus C the whole square. See here, A square into B minus C the whole square is the HCF of this expression and this expression. Alright, so take out the HCF or take out the common factor. So now what will we have in the bracket? This one multiplied by what will give us this first term. This common factor multiplied by what will give us this first term. Well, we have A square common, we have B minus C the whole square common. So we need to write B plus C the whole square here. So now this into this will give us this first term here. Plus we have A square into B minus C the whole square common. So which means we need to write 4 here. 4 into A square into B minus C the whole square is what we have here as a second term. So this is how it looks like after taking out the common factor. Now see, we have square root of A square. So that comes out as A. Again, square root of B minus C the whole square comes out as B minus C. And this expression remains under the square root. Square root of B plus C the whole square plus 4. So AB is given by the expression A into B minus C into square root of B plus C the whole square plus 4 units.